Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you top, intermediate skills. Let's start with heel to heel flick. In order to do it, simply run towards your opponent and then push the analog right left. Now let's perform simple rainbow. To perform simple rainbow flick, push analog left, right, like this. Next, we are going to use Rabona Fake. To perform Rabona Fake, hold L2 and select Fake Shot. Up next, we've got nutmeg. To perform nutmeg, press and hold L1, R1 and move analog right, left, top or bottom. Next, we can use Elastico. To perform Elastico, push analog like this. Next, we can use Stepover Trick. In order to use Stepover, while rushing towards box, use this analog movement. Thanks to this, you can trick your opponent into moving the direction you want. In the end, we can add roll ball. To roll ball, simply press and hold right analog to trick your opponent. You can also add additional movement to roll ball. In order to do it, roll ball and then quickly change direction to the opposite. This version requires great timing. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.